And as Mr. West is saying that, Mr. Istolar Gonzalez is shaking his head side to side. So I'm going to still have an interpreter. He's going to end up paying for the interpreter. Yes, you are. You're going to end up paying for the interpreter. He's shaking his head already.
In Judge MCN's courtroom, things got weird fast. A guy showed up wearing shorts, walking his dog, and said he needed an interpreter because he couldn't speak English. But the funny part? He clearly understood everything the judge said. You could see the judge getting more and more annoyed. In the end, the judge told him to pay for his own interpreter, which honestly he deserved. What do you think? Was the judge right? Or should he have kicked the guy out right away? Let's watch.
David Istolar Gonzalez, 25W836-565. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Christopher Shepard here against my client who approaches.
Your name, sir? Your name again? All right, you're still under oath.
Judge, I can articulate. In this circumstance, there's a reason why we're asking for the briefs of adjournment. Is my client indicates he actually has a video of his own, which will provide additional information to the prosecution as well as the defense if this matter were to go to trial. I'm asking for the shortest adjournment because it's a dash cam video that he could not provide today. And he wasn't told prior to bring it. I can't speak as to what another attorney did. But this would be the final adjournment with either a plea.
Well, this is just the arraignment first time anyway because we needed an interpreter.
Understood. And I've also encouraged my client to potentially speak to an immigration lawyer. He is not a United States citizen, but he is here legally. But I wanted to be aware of any potential conviction possibilities associated with this case.
Was the victim's vehicle, I don't want to, it's just strange. It says he maliciously damaged the victim's passenger side mirror. Let me call in Mr. West. That's better. Mr. West, can you hear me? If you can, sir, can you come in here, please?
Yes, sir. I'll be right there.
Thank you. So we're going to adjourn it 2 weeks. I will give you the date. Mr. West, your name?
Josh West, appearing on behalf of the people.
All right. Can you enlighten me here? It looks like he allegedly damaged the victim's vehicle that was at the Woodhaven Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor. There was a road rage incident. The victim in this matter drove to the Woodhaven Police Department, and the defendant followed him. And we've got a video that shows him karate kicking the mirror of the victim's vehicle.
Your Honor, the video is not a perfect video. We'd like to see what my client's video might have shown.
You should consult with an immigration lawyer, sir. I'm going to give you a $1,000 personal bond. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. You're not to have any contact with the victim or prosecution witnesses except through your lawyer.
Let's be honest. If you punch a parked car because you're mad, you're not angry at the car. You're angry at yourself. This guy made a dumb choice just to feed his ego. He wanted to prove something but forgot common sense. And the worst part? He stood there acting like a victim, even though the whole mess was his fault. Judge McNally handled him better than most people would have, because honestly, I'd have lost patience quick. And since this guy isn't even a citizen, he should be more respectful of the laws. You're a guest here. Follow the rules or go home. Road rage is just childish behavior with an engine. The moment you let your emotions take control, your brain stops driving. Watching this, I couldn't help but think, where did self-control go?
You cannot possess firearms or dangerous weapons. Also, you have to go over 2 days to get printed and photographed at the Woodhaven Police Department today by noon. So just so you know, Ms. Interpreter, I find it interesting that staff was telling me last time that he didn't need an interpreter. He came in acting like he couldn't speak English. Mr. West comes in.
He's asking for an interpretation.
Go ahead, you can interpret.
La última vez que dijo que parecía que no necesitaba un intérprete, pero
Mr. West comes in and tells me that they have video of the defendant karate kicking the victim's mirror. And as Mr. West is saying that, Mr. Istalar Gonzalez is shaking his head side to side. So I'm going to still have an interpreter. He's going to end up paying for the interpreter. Yes, you are. You're going to end up paying for the interpreter. He's shaking his head already. You're going to end up...
I need my medication, he said.
What's that have to do with him?
¿Qué tiene que ver eso con eso?
He's paying for the interpreter. He's paying for the
Si va
interpreter.
a pagar por internet.
We're giving you a new court date in 2 weeks, and that will be on July the 23rd, right, Lisa?
Yes, at 10 o'clock.
At 10 o'clock in the morning.
A las 10 in person.
Thank you, Mr. West.
Thank you.
Is that a person or Zoom interview?
In person.
Person, okay.
Judge, if I could make one inquiry, Mr. Shemke, do you want a discovery order?
No, that won't be necessary.
Okay, all right, thank you, Judge.
And he has to go over today to get printed and photographed at the Woodhaven Police Department.
Tiene que ir el día de hoy para que salgan huellas y fotos en el departamento de policía de Woodhaven.
Okay?
But I have to go to work.
You're going now.
No, usted tiene que ir
You're
a...
going now.
But I need my medication.
Listen,
Me escuchan.
you're going to the Woodhaven Police Department today. I already said by, what did I say? You're going by 1 p.m. today, okay? This is not open for debate, okay? By 1 p.m. today. If you don't, that's a violation of the bond condition. And if you violate the bond condition, you better bring a lot of money with you to the next court date, because I'm going to hold a hearing. And if I determine you didn't go over there today, you're going to end up posting a lot of money or sitting in jail pending the next hearing. You understand what I'm telling you, sir? He's shaking his head no again. You understand what I'm telling you?
But I didn't do anything.
Sir,
Señor.
sir,
Señor.
look at me. Look at me.
Mírame.
They don't pay me to debate.
No me pagan.
I'm not debating with
No
you.
estoy aquí para disculpar.
You understand what I just said to you?
¿Entiende eso? ¿Entiende lo que
You understand what I just said to you?
Entiendo lo que acabo
You enjoy the presumption of innocence, but you're not going to ignore orders.
Si es inocente, se quedó probamos por
Period.
no puedo dar órdenes aquí.
Good luck. Go over
I
there.
really can't stand when people pretend not to understand English just to escape blame. It's such a weak excuse, and no experienced judge ever falls for it. Honestly, it's embarrassing to watch. Acting confused doesn't hide guilt. It just wastes everyone's time. Judges notice patterns. They remember people in cases. You can't suddenly act like a different person and think no one will see through it. Still, I respect how calm Judge MCN stayed. I'd have called him out instantly. It's stuff like this that makes me wonder how much time courts waste on fake excuses. People complain the system's unfair, but many are too busy trying to cheat it. What do you think? Should judges fine people for pretending they don't understand? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.